Hello and welcome to this live. I'm just going to wait for Instagram and Facebook both to start. Yes, hello everyone. How are you all doing? 4 baje ka, the chai o'clock time. You know, it's always amazing to be here at this time. And yesterday we had real lot of fun and we were totally prepped up कि आप क्या देखना चाहेंगे तो हम उसके हिसाब से आपको दिखाएं. And so we put a poll up and then of course you all voted for the Meenakari cotton suits and I said absolutely we must show you that. It makes absolute sense to be doing it. So, you know, I'm just going to wait for a couple of minutes and not minutes, yeah. We are just going to wait for a few seconds more. Yes, let's do that. Let's start with that. And then we are going to go on to, you know, we're going to go on and then, you know, show you the other things. But something which you've really been waiting for. Now you can see the entire beautiful colors here. एक बहुत छोटा सा कैप्सूल कलेक्शन है हमने डिजाइन किया है for you to have this suit. So I'm going to talk a bit about it. I'm going to show you the colors. But the greatest thing is that what you're going to be seeing is the fact that इसमें सभी में कुर्ते में 3 मीटर है. Now when I was designing this, my initial thoughts were that what is it that we are going to make जो आप पहन भी पाए, you know, very easily you can wear it. There is that touch of zari, but it's also resham. It's in Chanderi cotton and I'm going to show you the most beautiful colors in it. So just give me a moment. I'm going to get into that. Ye dupatta and this look I will come back to in just a bit once I get and I will show you my fabrics. But first things first, what I want to focus on are these beautiful suits that are launching. It's a small little collection just made for you. एंड कुछ इनमें कलर्स हैं सो आप ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं विच एवर कलर यू फाइंड बेस्ट. फ्रैंकली मुझे तो बड़े यू नो इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू चूज वन. एंड ऑफ कोर्स फ्री इंटरनेशनल शिपिंग वर्ल्ड वाइड ऑल ऑफ दिस मंथ which means that अगर आपने 2 खरीदे, you know, one for yourself, one for your friend, or you know 2 of you pull in, or even you know your sister or mother, basically if you buy 2 sets it's going to qualify for free international shipping. Okay, now the price for these 3-piece suit sets is 15,800 and I'm going to give you the breakup of it. इसमें breakup मतलब है set तो आप set जैसे ही ले सकते हैं, but 3 मीटर कुर्ता, this beautiful दुपट्टा और इसके साथ plain bottom and that's the plain bottom. And the bestest thing is that ये जो pieces हैं ये आज ही अभी शिप होने के लिए रेडी है. सो एज यू प्लेस योर ऑर्डर इट्स गोइंग टू बी शिप्ड. छोटा सा कलेक्शन है, हर कलर्स में लिमिटेड है. सो माई थिंग इज दैट यू नो जस्ट गो फॉर इट वेरी क्विकली एंड पिक अप योर फेवरेट वन. नाउ दैट्स द फर्स्ट कलर दैट आई हैव. द नेक्स्ट वन इट्स अ गॉर्जियस गॉर्जियस ब्लैक. नाउ व्हाट यू विल सी, इसमें बहुत जो स्पेशल हमने किया है that there is a combination of resham in colors also and in this gold color also. Now look at this stunning suit. Now you will see जो बॉडी में हमने डिजाइन दी है इसमें हमने रेशम यूज किया है, जहां यहाँ है और ये इसमें हमने थोड़ी सी जरी का टच किया है. बट जो पूरी ब्यूटी है ऑफ कोर्स दैट इज ऑफ दिस मीनाकारी फ्लावर्स. It's absolutely amazing. These small tassels are also done. सब कुछ ready है आपके लिए, you know. Now the kurta we have designed it to be. Now look at that. That's the beautiful dupatta. Look how amazing it looks. रेशम भी है यहाँ colors में, मीना है basically. ये रेशम भी है और ये जरी है. It's basically one design which has everything in it. तो ये जो सीजन है where especially you're traveling so much, you know, even for celebrations and you know parties and everything, and you want things which you can wear very easily. But basically cotton बनारसी मीनाकारी suits कब नहीं पहन सकते हैं आप. Now look at that. So that's the black one. So that's the second color that you have. And then I'm going to go on to more colors. Oh, thank you. You guys are amazing. You're really sweet. Thank you so much for your love. Now, look at that. ये जब मैंने color, you know, इसको किया था, and then, you know, the whole idea was that so many of you say, अरे वो हल्दी है, we want something nice, which is really stylish, but we also don't want it to be too heavy. So then this is your suit for you, for that. The black, perfect for a night, you know, a dinner or party. Really nice, wearable even for formal evenings to work. So it is very wearable. So first come first है, कुछ pieces हैं. Go and find your favorite colors. WhatsApp पे orders open है. 15,800 and touch of Meena in cotton base, and the bottom is also ready. This is your third color. 15,800, that's the price of the suit. And we have 3 colors मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं और भी colors हैं. So from day to evening to, you know, we have done the whole look for you, ताकि आप इसको at any point of the time you can wear this and it's going to look dressy. Now look at this. This is a beautiful bubblegum pink. And you know, when many of you say that, you know, we like silks, we love it, but we also need cottons because that's something that I can wear every day. And I think that kind of resonated with me so much that now we are making this collections. And this is the first that you will see. This is like, you know, last 4-5 months I've been working on it, so that you can see this beautiful piece that you can just wear बिना सोचे. एंड सोच आप ये भी रहे अगर कि नीव खरीदना है, हमने बहुत दिन से, you know, we've been thinking. Now look at the dupatta. I'm also going to drape it. See this, really soft, really easy. ये देखो, so very very soft, very wearable, and 3 meter kurta. So we are going to focus on that a bit, because what I want to say is that when you have 3 meters kurta and it's a full width, it is 42, 44, तो width भी पूरी है, तो styling, you know, कुछ अच्छी हो सकती है. You can go for A line. I'm going to show you the, look at that, the border is there at the front, the buta is all over at the back and front. Look at the beautiful color. This is a shade of purple, and you can be styling this in so many which ways. And A line तो definitely possible है ही because it's 3 meter, but you can slightly, you know, do like a sweetheart card, you can do a kali, you can do that also. And 15,800 gorgeous ones, cash on delivery India में of course available है. So this is something that you will wear, you will pass it on, and I think the greatest advantage is that you can avail free shipping internationally as well. So this is 15,800, though 20,000 पे free shipping है. So you can take 2 colors, one for yourself, one for your friend, family, sister, mother, or of course you can add आज को जो live है उसमें से कुछ बहुत अच्छी चीजें भी हैं, so you can live from that also. Now this one is a little maroonish, so you will see we have a pink, we have a black, we have, you know, yellow, haldi yellow, which we've also done. 15,800. These are your complete Banarsi looks that, you know, you don't have to think much of कि क्या करूँ, कैसे पहनूँ, कहाँ पहनूँ. You can wear this just about anywhere. That's the whole fun of it. These are the bottoms. The bottoms are also in Chanderi and they've been dyed absolutely perfectly with it. So yes, ready to go. Now the color palette is also such that, you know, like even this maroonish tinge, I think it's great for the evening. शाम को पहनेंगे तो भी it's going to look really really nice. So that is one. Now this is the green. Look at that, how beautiful. It's like fresh cut grass ka wala green. So this is exactly that one. And I think the Meenas look so beautiful on each one of them, you know, like the colors really really popping out. So I just feel that zari, all zari sometimes becomes too formal, like probably too dressy. But इतना जो ये touch है ना जरी का, just here and on the kurta in the front, it is so perfect because it becomes a little formal. अगर आप इसको dress up करना चाहें तो it will look gorgeous. Many of you coming home as well, you know, all the next 2 months, and you know everybody wants says यार छोटे मोटे events है, we want to wear these beautiful suits. So what can I do? You know, and I said that, you know, yes, this is what we should make just in time for you to be here home. And of course everybody who's already here, like look at this color, it's such a great wear all day long. A shade of blue, 15,800. This is the last color for it. Look at that incredible, really pretty color, and loving the blue, you know, how it kind of contrasts with that. Okay, let's, you know, just do a complete look. So that's going to be your dupatta. Okay, and we're going to open up, show you this. So when you are in a mood to wear Banarasi, but you want to kind of keep it still somewhat simple, like you don't want to necessarily wear silk. So in fact आज हम आपको silk दिखा भी नहीं रहे. What I'm wearing is tussar. मतलब silk तो दिखाएंगे, but not a katan. I'm going to be showing you tussar that I'm wearing, and then look at that. Oh, what a beautiful color. So that's going to be your look, and of course अभी मैं बहुत, you know, it's like spread out. So that's the whole idea, that this very very pretty combination. And yes, there is that geometric component, there is that zari, resham, meena, cotton, all on it together for you to have this very pretty look. And yes, as I said, थोड़ा सा इसमें अगर आप टच करा लें और नेक हाईलाइटिंग करा लें, you wear heavy jewelry, you can wear just about anywhere. And if you want to keep it simple, just get a nice clean stitching done and you will be ready and get set go. So those were the colors available. I think there are about 7 colors available, 8 colors. So about 8 colors available from our very small beautiful capsule collection. I hope you're going to like it. And of course, yes, orders are open as you go along. We have pictures as well, so you can take the pictures. Kurta 3 meter, bottom 2.5 meter, and dupatta, of course, dupatta is also 2.5. So yeah, 2.5 tassels are also done, ready to ship. So okay, that being that, now we go on to other things. I was wearing this kurta, which is the tussar kurta, and बहुत दिन बाद, this is one of the looks that we had launched, I think earlier this year in August or so. And I want to now wear the linen dupatta over it, and you can see the beautiful, and finally it's there in stock for me to be able to show it to you. So you know, I thought I'll also wear it. इसकी जो of course सुंदरता है वो इसके मीना की है. The base is the tussar fabric, tussar munga. So what looks brilliant with it is either you go for a plain munga bottom, that works well, but I know many of you have gone for a same on same look, because you know, when you want to wear like a A-line, a nice flary bottom, and sometimes you want to skip your dupatta, it looks really good, because look at that, that's your full look. And I think the dupatta is lovely with this. This is a linen dupatta, and I'm also going to show it to you. Sona rupa hai aur isme kadwa hai, so you can go for this in pink. But honestly, you could do any color with this kurta, because you know, this is also can be done in any of the colors that I'm going to now show you, matlab dupatte ke. So for example, I could do this one as well. This is you know, look at that, this is such a lightweight, beautiful Georgette dupatta. Oops, on my plow. Anyway, today's live बहुत लंबा नहीं है. Of course, the one you know, collection already shown to you. This is the second part of it. Now you can see. So you can see this dupatta 26,800. This fabric is lovely the way it is. This is 8,800 per meter. Plain bottom 2450. So you can see this look. और मेरे पास fabric है, तो I'm going to just show you the fabric. That's the fabric up and close for you, so that you can see the entire detail. Yeah, that's what I'm wearing. So do a same on same. Just go for it with a dupatta like this. That's your next dupatta that I'm going to showcase to you. And look at that. So whether you pick up the dupatta in pink, whether you pick it up in the sea green or this beautiful orange. Now you'll see the orange, क्योंकि ये जो flowers है ये पूरे orange में है. It looks gorgeous as well. So pick up the one that you are looking for most. Now, for example, ये जो दुपट्टा है, I think this is one of the last in the dyeable ones, right? Is that right? So we have it only in orange. The earlier one we still have a few pieces, so you can go for that. Now look at that combination. But ये design सिर्फ orange में ही है. फिर कोई और designs available होगी. The first one that we showed you can be done in any one of these. So look at how pretty it looks. So there you go with all the two tussars and the different looks in it. अच्छा एक और है, sorry, this tussar I wanted to show you. This is one cut only. Now again, I think the orange will look really nice with it. So whether you go for, I'll just show it to you again, or even the pink that I was wearing, I think that was also looking absolutely lovely. So you can go for an orange look with it, or you could go for the linen dupatta look with it. I think that will also look very nice. And additionally, अगर आप चाहें तो this can be dyed in orange. That would also be absolutely wonderful. एक rough reference के लिए I will show you how the color will look. अभी वो exactly match नहीं है. This is of course a केसरिया color, but I'm just showing you for a reference. And first let me just show this. And this is the design. This is the only two designs available. This dupatta, we already have a beautiful range of colors, जो I think आप आगे देखेंगे भी, you know, with different combinations. This is in Sona Rupa in linen, and it's meant to be short and precise and very easy to kind of just wear. ये खुद में ही it's a really nice statement to be wearing. So yeah, these dupattas are 18,800. You can see the lovely tassels, and they're about 2.25 or so in the length. So yeah. Now another thing that has been really kind of been requested is ombre, and in fact the pieces that we have with us, so that you can absolutely know what's available. Ombre has been doing really well. Now मैं ऐसे दिखाती हूँ जहाँ आपको बूटा सीधा दिखेगा. So ombre has been doing, मैं दोनों तरफ से दिखाऊंगी. You can make it either ways, okay? So I'm going to just show it to you like this. Ombre is something which is so versatile. It's such an easy way to dress up. I do have lots of colors with me. Now look at that. And each one of these cuts 9,800. So सभी में दो दो तीन तीन थे, but motive change होते रहते हैं. So we said that we'll show you the motives that are there. These are beautiful. Now I'll also show it to you like this. It's your choice. Basically how you want to kind of make it. It looks really good. जो इसके bottoms है वो आप last color जो भी आप पहनते हैं उससे अगर match करेंगे तो it will look nicer. The other thing is you can wear a really nice gold bottom with it. You can also go for a liquid gold. Okay. Now I'm thinking I don't have it. Chalo abhi I don't have it, but you've all seen it. If not, it's there on our page. I think, in fact, I would really strongly recommend. अभी मुझे ऐसा look ऐसा click किया that why shouldn't we just do a nice liquid gold bottom with these colors? बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. And why liquid gold bottom? Because you can just wear it with so many different things. उसका वही फायदा है. हर के लिए कई बार नहीं मन करता है that you want to make a bottom specifically. Now look at that, the peach, the lemon, the cream, all of these beautiful colors. Showing you more. जितने भी हैं मैं सब दिखा देती हूँ. Yeah, ombre has been I think a speciality which we've done this year. And 9,800 for the 2.5 मीटर. तो पूरा 2.5 मीटर का कुर्ता है. अब इसके साथ अगर आपके पास लिक्विड गोल्ड बॉटम है तो नथिंग लाइक इट. ऑल यू विल नीड इज अ कुर्ता. जो इसका कुर्ता है, दिस इज चिनिया सिल्क इन बूटा. दैट्स द फैब्रिक. चिनिया सिल्क इज अ प्योर सिल्क. यू कैन वेयर इट ऑल सीजन. कभी भी पहने. इट्स वेरी लाइट वेट एंड कड़वा है तो लाइनिंग इज ऑप्शनल. यू नेसेसरीली डोंट नीड द लाइनिंग. What a beautiful color. Look at the pink, look at the gray. And I think this is another blue. I'm just showing it to you like this. It's another blue that we have. Okay, this is such a wonderful color. Let's show this one to you. And I love that. Oh, look at that. The tri-color. Gray and then mustard and this beautiful colors that are there. इसको ऐसे पहने, अगर turn करके पहनना चाहे तो sure you can do it. But you can wear it. So, if you're going to go for matching bottom, देन माई सजेशन है जो लास्ट कलर आएगा उसको करिएगा. अगर आप लिक्विड गोल्ड पहने तो वो तो बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. सो लिक्विड गोल्ड इज समथिंग एब्सोल्युटली. कैन वी गेट द लिक्विड गोल्ड? इज इट पॉसिबल? कैन वी गेट वन थान, एनी थान दैट आई वांट टू शो यू एज बॉटम? मैं दिखा देती हूँ आपको कि व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. नाउ हियर इट इज, ऑल ऑफ दीज ग्रेडेशंस कमिंग. And such easy, great way to kind of, we have two colors in this. You've seen the first one, so I'm just showing you. This also you have seen. This also you have seen. This also you have seen. This you have not seen. So I'll show you and I will keep it. Okay, 2.5 is for 9,800. That's the price for the 2.5. And, now you can see the whole look here. And many of you coming in for the first time in the last few days, and it's been amazing. And if you've been thinking, what is it that I want to do, what is it that I want to try, आज का live literally is like, ये 2.5 मीटर लें कुर्ता, एक इसका कुर्ता लेके लें, एक पूरा सूट लेके देखें, whatever is that you really like and kind of works for you, it kind of works well. Now I'm going to show you this that is the liquid gold. This is the fabric that I'm talking about, and now you will, I think you can imagine why I'm calling it the liquid gold. Look at the sheen of the beautiful piece. Look at, it's amazing, isn't it? Look at how it flows. This is, the base is Georgette, is absolutely wonderful, and look at the sheen of it. So now, अगर कोई एक दो कलर्स वापस मुझे मैंने अभी just डाले थे, which I have shown, वो folded ही दिखा दें. Now look at that. You know what I mean? Because when you're wearing it, हाँ उसी को दिखा दे. when you're wearing it with the gold bottom, it looks really classy, so incredible. Look at that, very very pretty. और ये जो फैब्रिक है, अब मैं एक और आपको डिजाइन दिखाती हूँ. ये जो फैब्रिक है, लुक एट दिस, आई शो यू वन एग्जैक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन. मुझे लगता है बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. Where this is 5,400 per meter, so about 14,500, and you're looking for something offbeat. Of course, हम प्लेन सिर्फ तो इस कलर का डाई कर ही सकते हैं, बट कुछ अलग करने के लिए विद अ गोल्ड बॉटम, हल्की सी इस पे नेक पे हल्की सी हाईलाइटिंग करा लें in gold आरी वर्क, and you do it as a kurta or as a kaftan, and then you wear this as a bottom. क्या बात है. You know, for all of those आगे पीछे के stylish events where you want to wear it, it's going to look absolutely amazing. This is also one. This is the small buta. So yeah, like really cool, really fun, you know, and you can, this is one more design, and you know, that's the whole flow. So yeah, so this is done. I've shown you all the ombres, the cotton suits, the tussar. Now what I have for you is that we will do एक suit हम करते हैं, which is of our linen suit. So I want to just show it to you one, because I think that's वही ready था, तो मैंने बोला यही मैं दिखा देती हूँ in buta, basically, because linen is also one of our fabrics which does so well. Now look at that. Of course, you can buy it just by the meter, 4,800 per meter, and this, if you see, that's the kurta, that's the bottom in chanderi. आप चाहें तो same on same भी ले सकते हैं, that is possible, but it's such a classy color. Look at that, it's a shade of brown, very incredibly beautiful. And इसके साथ जो दुपट्टा है वो ये है, so you can go for this full look. Look at that, इस पे सोना रूपा कड़वा है, and this is gold, only gold. And lot of you ask कि कैसा लगेगा जब हम पहनेंगे, you know, that whole contrast with it. And I say, you know, देखो आप, you know, it is about the look we are creating, because we keep and we make these dupattas precisely for the reason कि जब हमें लिनन के साथ उसमें मैच करना हो तो हम उसको डाई करके बना सकते हैं. How pretty it looks. There you go. This is your full set with the bottom totally ready to be shipped out. So linen suits and very pretty. 12,000 का कुर्ता, 2.5 मीटर, 18,800 का ये है, what do you say, the dupatta. So that's about 20,000, and then you have 2,450 का, right? So that's the, नहीं, 30,000 basically, 30,000 something का you have a 3-piece suit set. So very good at that. And then we'll go on to some Munga silk fabrics that have been requested. मैं दुपट्टे उनके साथ quickly आपको दिखा दूंगी, because it's a fabric that you've all been asking for. So we said, okay, we should do it in a live as well. We have shown it earlier, but I think कुछ videos of course delete हो गए last week, so उसका भी थोड़ा सा था that, you know, delete हो गए. Now look at this, absolutely exquisite multi, you know, many colors in it. मैं roughly गिनूं तो मुझे, you know, 8-9 colors हैं इसमें, each row made separately with it. This is a Munga silk, and wear it again just as a kurta with plain Munga bottom. Wear it as a same on same. It's going to be absolutely amazing. You want a dupatta with it, you go for this dupatta. It's going to be very pretty along with it. Another one that I'm going to go for is this one. Now if you see, एक और मूंगा जिसकी ये देखिए. Now this is a very different one, silver zari, and this is, you know, this is a blue, this is a green, and you've got this pastel pink right here. So I think which looks very elegant. So yeah, look at that. Here it is, and look at the flow. Really flowy, absolutely soft, totally wonderful. If you would like to go for a dupatta, yeah, this is the perfect matching color for it. But even without it, it looks wonderful. These are about 6,800 per meter. You know, इनके price आप पूछ सकते हैं. So that's there. Now this is the next one that is there, and look at the color, look at the fabric. One kurta, one nice kurta if you have, and then you have a bottom with it. इतनी जगह you can wear it, you know, that's the, इसमें जरी है, इसमें gold है, पहले वाले में silver थी, and you can just wear it in so many ways. अच्छा, लहंगा आप बनाए, you know, अनारकलीज बनाए, long kurtas बनाए, same on same बनाए, और फुल फ्लोर लेंथ ड्रेसेस बनाए, ऑल ऑफ दैट विल बी एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल. इसमें ये एक और कलर है. सो टुडेज लाइव इज रियली अबाउट कंफर्ट and style and ideas that will just work just about anywhere. Like you don't even have to think कि यार मैं कहाँ क्या पहनूं, So it's going to be like really easy for you to find these. I was talking about the colors, so many colors in it. Now this is one fabric again. So we are doing munga, we have done tussar, we have done linen, we have done cotton, we have done all of that. Now look at that. Oh, look at the flow of this. Absolutely amazing. This flow. And the very last in this Munga Meenakari fabrics with zari, and this you will see is again a very light silver zari. So जो अब इतने छोटे हैं इनके, तो they will look very nice on a same silhouette. But the joy is also that with the plain Munga bottom, which so many of you have, it will look great as well. So plain Munga bottom, liquid gold. Okay, this dupatta also I have to show you. They are all such great versatile bottoms to have, because a lot of time you just take a kurta, you like 2.5 meter, just take it, and you don't want to think so much about it, because it's like something you just like, and you don't want to kind of spend more कि अभी उसमें हम bottom भी matching का बनवाएं दुपट्टा. So these are those looks that are complete on their own. Even if you take a 2.5 meter, it's a full look. सूट ले लें 15,800 में, complete suit, and really pretty with the meena and the details. So that's also there. So yeah, lots of option. थोड़ा सा just to kind of give you another kind of a look. Here it is. This one is a georgette with this detailing. How striking it looks. Look at that. Absolutely striking. And this look can be customized in black and blue. Of course, मेरे पास तो यही color है, and it's very very pretty. So let's show it to you once more. This ultra nice organza dupatta. Here you go. This with this. That's your look. And then you can just go for a plain bottom with it. It will be very very pretty. I'm going to end with 2 linens because as we said, we're going to do fabrics other than Katan silk. So we're going to do this. We also did in fact Chinia silk, which has some sheen. But आज जो ideation उसका था वो अलग ही look के लिए था, with all this premium cotton and things like that. And there you go. That's a linen dupatta. You saw it matched. You saw it matched with a brown, the linen buta. अब मैं इसको आपको एक अलग सा ही look दिखा रही हूँ. And this is also our linen premium fabrics. So this again comes with a plain bottom. And again, suits like these, and I'm going to show it to you as a 3-piece suit. Look at that. Kurta bottom and dupatta. These will be really good to wear just about anywhere. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. That's your full linen premium suit, plain bottom, absolutely flowy, dressy, all things great. That's your kurta, and this is your dupatta. Plain bottom, ready to ship today. And yeah, that's the last piece that we had. We just wanted to come do this, all based on your feedback. Yesterday we had done a poll कि आप क्या देखना चाहेंगे, and I think there were so many of you who wanted to see the cotton suits. It's a small piece, कुछ colors हैं, so जरूर देखिए उसको. We have of course the tussar that I'm wearing, the linens, and mungas. So a lot of mungas, meenakari, which are all very very wearable. So pick a look that you want. Don't wait too long, place, because each color mein we have very few pieces. So it's always good to go for the piece that you love the most. The cotton meenakari suits 15,800. Then the tussar, the georgette, the munga. Take your pick. Thank you so much. Just wanted to come and do this nice, not too long live. Just show it to you आराम से कि क्या आप पहन सकते हैं इस season में कहीं भी. And of course, India है, cash on delivery is available worldwide. अभी भी free international shipping above 20,000 and above. So you take one suit, one ombre, it becomes free shipping. So great time to try it as well. Yeah, ombre also we did with the liquid gold. So go for it, guys. See you very soon.